Good morning. It is the day after Valentine's Day, and we are celebrating Valentine's Day today. We actually had some of the kids at their grandparents yesterday, and then we all went to celebrate Grandma's birthday. We are wearing our fancy Valentine's Day clothes. We took the day off school.
Over my jammies. Okay.
Yeah, it's very cold. Very cold. Look at this. It's 1 degree outside right now.
It's supposed to snow like 6 or something inches.
Yep. The snow is coming down. It's a good day to take off school. Jeremiah, please just lay the plate down on the table, okay? We don't want to mess with the plates. Yep, this is the state of the outdoors right now. It's cold.
It's 1 degree.
1 degree, and the wind chill makes it feel even colder, right? You guys just came in.
It's supposed to be
Not as cold as
negative.
Grandma's house. We have trees.
Okay, let's remember we just let the plates sit and we don't play with them.
Negative 15.
Something we're learning here is not messing with all of the things at the table. Why is this so hard? Just set it down.
Yes, you do.
So we're going to have Valentine's Day breakfast. I made a French toast casserole, and we have some hot chocolate. We actually thawed out our first gallon of Fern's milk that we had frozen. This was still the first gallon, and it's not, the kids are like, not sure about the taste of it.
Well, mostly
different.
because it's separated when
It's
it froze.
separated and it didn't get shook back together. Yeah, so we're making it into
Stop.
some hot chocolate. And we need forks. Everybody need forks. Okay, run get the forks. Run get the forks. We're going to open the Valentine's Day bags. Kids have been filling with Valentines. Grab forks. These are the bags here, so we'll have to get them off of the... It's a little bit crazy here today, guys. Just a little bit crazy. These bags are full of Valentines that people have made, so we're going to open those up. And, yeah, it's just kind of a different kind of year. We didn't do our secret Valentines like we did all the other years, and we have other things we do because we just had a lot going on this year. I don't know, it just felt like kind of crazy, and I don't like taking all the kids to the stores because of all the weird regulations, and so we didn't want to do our shopping trip like we did last year, so we're just doing it our own way this year. Wow, that's amazing skill. Look at you.
Like that.
Wow. I can't say much for the manners, but amazing skill. Because you have to do something while you're waiting. Wow.
I can walk around here.
Okay, so we had meatloaf last night at Grandma and Grandpa's house, so I heated up some of that in a skillet, and then this is my French toast casserole, which is just sourdough bread that I cubed. Good job, Elsie. And then you soak it with eggs and milk. It's actually a recipe from Lisa from Farmhouse on Boone, so you can look it up there, but it's very good. It's a hit. All right. Whew. Well, kids just came in from ice skating. How was it?
My toes are numb again.
Your toes are numb.
No, actually, we shovel. Because the snow makes it where you can't skate. And on the very bottom, the snow is frozen almost, so it's kind of like ice snow.
So there's too much snow to really skate.
So you have to scrape it. And like, I was going to peel off some layers if I kept out there for a while.
Yeah. We have a very small pond, and it's frozen, which is exciting.
The snow's like this deep.
I think, whoops, hang on, my phone's ringing. Everybody else is bursting with excitement, but Lydia, you don't know how exciting this is, do you? You're just playing with your animals. Cheese. You got a pretty dress on? Ooh, it's so pretty. Yeah, you're a cutie. Ooh, what does that animal say? Oh, moo. You're a silly girl. You giving it kisses?
Done.
Okay. Papa over here has been making his Valentines for the last couple hours. He's down.
It's not been that
Yeah, it has.
Ready?
Which is good because no, you gotta clear off the table from his clear off the table. Put the paper cutter away in his scraps. You're doing a good job holding it shut.
Samuel, I didn't give one to you. I have it in my bag.
Oh my.
Where's Mama's?
Put your hand in.
All right, clear this table off. It's good. It helps us to learn patience.
Here, hold this.
Don't look at anyone.
Hey, charge up the computer for
That was a lot of work.
I will in a bit. Not yet. Not yet. Hey, are you excited?
Mom, did you see this? Mom, I did string and I...
Yeah, it's so pretty. I like that.
And then I had this. Like,
Isn't that
Just
puppy
recycle this all.
cute?
Yes.
It's a puppy.
Are you excited?
I called out my signature.
Put it in. I'm supposed to remember.
Put it.
Look in.
I am, Mom.
Whoa.
Thank you, Lydia.
Chocolate.
Thank you, Lydia.
Mama, can you read this? Thank you, Papa. I like...
That's
Mom,
from
look.
Lydia. My love for you does not compute. I'm so very proud of. Aww. Wow, this is fancy. He printed all these off and
Elsie.
folded it
Thank you,
together.
Samuel.
You are just amazing.
Thank you, Elsie. Is this from Leo? Elsie, what is that, Mom?
You're welcome.
Your name on it.
You're welcome.
But thank you. Elsie, you didn't put your name on here.
We know it's from her.
Thank you, Elsie.
Thank you. You're welcome, Leo.
Here, let's look at this.
What's it?
That's to James from Lydia.
Oh, look at this, Mom.
Thank you, Samuel.
Look at this.
Thank you, Lydia.
Oh, wow, Silas.
Thank you, chocolate.
How'd you do that? The heart.
How did you do the heart, Silas?
Thank you, Leo. I'm giving you money.
Thank you,
Leo.
You're welcome.
So anyway, Leo. Thank you, Bella. So anyway, I cut out.
What did you get?
Stormtrooper.
Whoa. That's from Leo?
Oh, Papa got Lydia. Looks like she got
sticks on there. That's all the tape I had, duct tape. Mom, he's just like this.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. I made it in
That's a
Photoshop.
nice one.
This is from Papa.
Oh, do the one that I did.
What? Papa, how did you know?
It's a little cut off.
You got it.
That's from Samuel.
Leo, look.
Putting the flower in the horse's mouth was really hard.
It made me
Fly.
Mom, look, he did it in Photoshop.
Wow.
Look, he did it in Photoshop.
Leo, put that in there.
Oh, you made that,
Photoshop also.
It took him almost 45 minutes to do that.
Wow.
I have to get this pant to Elsie before Valentine's Day. Pant.
That one I saw and I'm like, afterwards I'm like, Elsie has this.
So you photoshopped all these together?
Yeah, so this is the background, the shadow's different.
Thank you,
And the cat and the rose is what I
Wow,
got.
that is amazing, Leo.
Thank you, Leo. Thank you,
Thank you, Jeremiah. Marty, Sam. Elsie, let me see yours.
James Samuel wrote this for you. It says, "Hey, Smarty, happy Valentine's Day."
Yes! Thank you so much. It was in mine.
Oh, wow.
Who is this from?
Me.
Oh,
I accidentally put it in. I want to eat the white now. Thank you, Jeremiah.
Wow, Mom, look at Silas.
I know, isn't that
Thank you, James.
cool? Wow.
Baby.
James was very busy this year.
Hey, Mom.
It's from James. I know it.
Jeremiah wanted to make sure
Oh, I
nobody
guess I should
got
look at
Elsie.
mine.
I want to see yours.
Busy looking at everybody else's.
Who made this?
Jeremiah.
Wow, Jeremiah, that's fancy.
Thank you, Samuel. For that? Yeah. You're welcome. You and
Nice.
Now
Now you match. That's right.
That is so cute.
I know.
What is that?
I have to get this to Elsie
Let's see what I got in here.
before Valentine's Day.
I get too busy looking at everybody
Thanks,
else's.
Sam, for $1.
Oh,
I know.
here, Elsie.
That's so generous.
I got it different.
I want to see.
You said you, in case you had to start a fire in the wilderness, you wanted a Zippo, so I found one.
Is this on
You light up my life.
Wonderful.
Yeah, James, that's fine.
That is.
Guys.
Zippo's a lighter.
Thank you, Pop, so much. When I say I want 5 cents to my dad, I
Whoa.
get it. But
Oh yeah, right. This is
Wow.
Did you get one?
Ooh, Elsie, that's pretty. I'm gonna use that as a bookmark.
I didn't know
yours.
Aw, thank you, Samuel. 2 Smarties. I must be double smart.
Thank
Somebody
you.
gave me money.
I
My.
didn't do anything in Photoshop.
Papa, look what Silas gave us.
Whoa.
$5. Thanks.
Elsie, what did you get? I got a puppy.
Aw.
Both already?
Leo, I am what I am because of you. You influence me in everything I do. You shape me in the person I am today. You're simply the best.
And Mom,
Told you she cried.
hey Mom, the only thing, see that? I had a clone stamp on Photoshop because there was a big water print going down
Oh,
there.
you are so good.
I had to get
Skills are getting good. Oh, Leo, making me cry. Every single year, Leo's Valentines make me cry. Look at all this. $1 from Samuel.
Wait, I gave you $1?
Wait, no.
Oh, thank you, Sam. $1 and
Look what you got, Chance.
A card from thank you, Silas.
That's mine. Sorry.
I love you, Mom. Love dog. Dog made me one.
I didn't do that.
I didn't do that. I did that. I guess.
Yes.
I guess.
Sorry, this is mine.
I made that.
Samuel was done making his Valentines so early he had to make them for other people.
Love, Jane.
To Mom, good for dishes and a foot rub.
Look what James made me.
What's this box? This is
Look at James.
James. Wow, that is nice.
See, from Wawa. That's
I love you. Did everybody get us a dancing heart?
And look at the I got one. Or not, I didn't.
Thank you.
Ooh, that is so
Look at James.
pretty.
Mom, look at James.
Look at that.
Look at I got. Sorry, look at I got.
James, that's fun.
That's a photo of him, Mom.
Oh, Bella, did you put that together? Yeah. It's a photo of James back there. Do you see your face,
Thank
James?
you, Mom. Chocolate.
You're welcome.
It's hard to see though.
Cocoa.
Who made me this fancy one?
Nice cursive there.
It has no name on it. Who made me this fancy?
Little bit.
Elsie?
No, that was me.
Did you make me this fancy one?
I think you did super
It's
great.
beautiful.
Can I see?
Oh, your curly cute.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just like.
That was so much fun.
We're at Gemma's house.
Wow,
You're
that
about to
is
get
so
there.
fun.
Oh.
I couldn't write Mom or Pop's card because I didn't have
Papa
enough
made me a
room.
handmade Valentine.
Mom,
Oh.
I didn't have enough room, Mom.
You're welcome.
Oh.
You guys come. Yeah. I opened them. I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna open this.
I don't know if I'm the only man that doesn't understand why women get so mushy about Valentine's, but I just know they do. So I do.
I love it. Look at all
Found
this.
it in my bag.
I don't know, but Lydia's standing on the table. Lydia, what you doing up there?
Remember the $1 I owed you?
Jeez. Every time I see her, she just says cheese.
Silas.
Mom, did you empty yours out?
That's so
Yes,
cute.
isn't it wonderful?
What did you get?
All kinds of wonderful things. You need to look at all my Valentines because they're wonderful.
She is mooching for candy. You hear her?
Oh, is that what you're saying?
Yes. She's like, I heard there's candy over here.
Those lips. Those lips. I know, they're wonderful.
Thank you, Jay. You can have a little bit.
Mom, look. James gave me this.
This dark chocolate
It is.
scavenger. She goes around and put on a cute face.
Mom,
That's
look.
for you. Guys, I made that for you.
What is it? Oh, wow.
Chocolate.
Yeah, man.
I know.
Where are these from?
Thank you.
Where are these from?
That's from Lydia. She got them at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah,
Oh.
Libby was.
To Mama and Papa, another $5.
What?
Yeah,
We are making out big.
I don't know who this
You want
is from. There's no
that?
name on it.
You want that?
Well, thank you, no
should we find
neighbor.
you something? Somebody gave us
Somebody
money
with
and didn't
nice
tell us?
handwriting.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
And then I wanted to buy that water bottle, but never mind. I decided not to.
Because she's spending all on Valentine's. Oh, that's so nice.
Hey, James, is this from you?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's from Jeremiah.
Lydia's making off with 2 Smarties.
Show us your silly faces, Lydia. Show us your silly faces.
Lydia, go.
You're tooting.
Ow!
Not funny. Daddy, grab my hair. Grab my hair, yeah.
Not funny.
Ow.
Oh, you're tooting.
Yeah, grab my hair, yeah.
What other silly faces does she know?
Back. Ready, peekaboo. Ready? Where Liddy? Oh, where Liddy? Peekaboo.
Uh-oh, that's gonna remind. Wait a second, I'm tired. I forgot. I'm so tired.
You tired?
It's night time.
Peekaboo, where Liddy? She'll say peekaboo when she's in the
Whoa, you missed your eyes.
Liddy, go. Shh. Liddy. Oh, you
She's
tired.
ready for a nap.
Oh, Lydia did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you tired?
Yeah, man, it's me to put her to
I
bed.
told you.
You can put her to bed. She
I
likes
can put her
you.
to bed. Oh, Liddy, go. Shh. Lydia.
Where's Lydia?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where
Where's
Liddy?
Liddy?
Peekaboo. Mom, you don't want computer so I can go.
Yes.
Liddy, go. Oh, you tired? Come
She's
on,
tired. Thank you, Bella. Put a sweater on her so her arms are warm.
Don't hurt her. Just snuggle in.
James, what'd you get in there?
My pussy.
What's inside of there?
My mommy.
Your money. Ooh. All right, time for naps. Time to go night-night. You have to go upstairs to your bed.
Oh, much more.
No night-night here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was fun.
I'm worried.
That was fun. Yeah, that was fun. And now Jason and I tonight we get to do a live Q&A video with my members of my mom's membership group. So that will be fun.
Hey, James, you didn't
But-
give me anything for Valentine's Day. You could give me a Smartie.
You're silly.
Okay?
Okay, so that was the fun morning. Now the rest of the afternoon, I'm going to try to do some cleaning and kitchen work because it's kind of a mess. We were gone all day yesterday and yeah, I just have a mess. But I wanted to show you, Julie Lavender wrote this book and sent me a copy and offered to give away one to one of you since we were doing all those giveaways last month. She thought that would be really fun. And I thought in light of the holiday of love, which I know Valentine's Day is over for everybody, but for us it was today. And it's 365 ways to love your child, and it's just full of, it's just lists of ideas, just page after page of ideas of things to do with your child to show your love for them. If you would like to win a copy of this, just let me know in the comments below and then we'll pick a random winner. So these giveaways just keep on going. Isn't that fun? So let's do a little bit of cleaning. Bella's putting Lydia to bed, and then I would like to sit down and do some more read alouds. How's Fern doing?
She's doing good. Her udders are shrinking in size, which is good. They're not hot, which they're, would be cause of problems of mastitis or infection.
I don't know that I was going to do an update on her and then didn't. And I don't know that if I've told people that we're drying her up.
Oh yeah.
Because she's supposedly pregnant and due in April. Wow, hold on a second.
Is it
Look
the
at
Carolina Wren?
that. No, it's
the
it's
woodpeckers.
the window's so dirty it's hard to see them, but yeah, look at that. Oh, I wish my window was a little cleaner. Isn't that cool that we get to see these birds right here?
We're getting bigger. Oh, that one?
So fun.
They're even closer at my office.
We are. We have really great spots for viewing birds here.
I refilled the bird feeder. I figured today, if any day, because
Yeah,
it was empty.
they're
they
gonna want it
drained
today for sure.
Yeah. The little
Looked like
tufted.
a what?
Okay,
A
wait.
pileated
I have a
woodpecker?
question. I want to ask the viewers. So for those that are bird watchers or bird viewers, what is the plural for the tufted titmouse?
Tufted titmice?
Is it?
I don't know.
I get
That's
or
a
is
good
it
question.
mouses or what?
Yeah, that is a good
I
question.
get memo.
Maybe they'll know.
I I'm not.
Oh,
Somebody let
that's
us
so
know,
nice,
please.
James.
But I want one.
Okay, later. Okay, so the update on Fern is she's supposedly due in April. And so you're supposed to give them like a 2-month break at least of milking. And so Victory, who is the calf that we bought, and I will link that video if you never saw that. Hey buddies, don't be too loud, okay? Because Bella's putting Lydia to bed. Okay, shh.
Come on, buddy.
Victory, we have weaned him, and so he's on his own, just eating, you know, well, mostly hay right now because obviously it's just snow. And so we have them in 2 separate pastures because otherwise he would continue to try to nurse from her, and we wanted her to be able to dry up. And so we reduced her feed while we slowly reduced the amount that we milked her. And so she was giving a gallon twice a day. She's a lower production Jersey. And so we just slowly backed that down until she was only giving 1 gallon total a day, and then went to every other day, and just all the while kept reducing. We get her organic barley and oats, right? Barley and oats are the grain that we would give her while milking her. And so we reduced everything, and then just stopped. Once she got down to like a gallon every other day that we were, that she had more than that, we were just stopping there. And it did seem like her, you know, the tightness and the udders were going down. I mean, we're just also new to this, so this was the advice we were given, and it seems like it's going well. So now she's just out, just hanging out and waiting for baby to come, getting lots of hay. We have like little shelters for her, and one for Victory too, where he is, so they're staying warm out there. So we'll see in April. I guess she's due just a couple weeks before I am. So this will be exciting to see, and we'll keep you posted on that. But that's your update. If you were one of the people, several people have asked how she was doing. So that's the update. That's why we're drinking milk out of the freezer right now, which I made into hot chocolate this morning. And of course, it was great like that.